In today's video, I'm going to teach you backlinks in Notion, how to use backlinks in Notion Guide. We'll walk through a simple example together so you can clearly see how backlinks work and why they're useful for organizing your notes and projects. First, open Notion and create a brand new page. To do this, go to your workspace and either click on New Page in the sidebar or use the option at the bottom of your page list. This new page is going to be our main example. Try to give yourself a clean space to work in. Once the new page is open, click at the very top where it says Untitled. Here, type in the title for your page. This could be anything you want, like backlink demo or a topic you're currently working on. Giving your page a clear and descriptive title makes it easier to recognize later, especially when Notion starts creating backlinks for you. After you've set the title, move your cursor down into the body of the page. Now we're going to create another page inside this one. To do that, simply type a /, then the word page. As you type push page, you'll see Notion bring up a list of commands. Choose the page option from that list. This creates a subpage or a page within your current page. Give this new subpage its own title as well. For example, you might name it something related to the main page, like a subtopic or a related idea. Once it's created, you can click into that subpage and start adding content just like any other Notion page. Now, here's where backlinks come into play. Go back to the main page you started with, the one that contains your new subpage. In the upper right area of this page, look for the section labeled Backlinks. Click on Backlinks to open that view. What you'll see here is a list of pages that mention or link to this current page. Whenever this page is referenced from another page in your workspace, Notion will automatically show that connection in the backlinks area. This makes it much easier to navigate between related notes without manually tracking everything yourself. As you continue building your workspace, keep using pages inside pages and linking between them. Then come back and check the backlinks panel to understand how your information connects. Over time, these backlinks help turn your Notion setup into a powerful, interlinked knowledge system that's